Hey wonderful family, you are welcome back to my channel. Thank you for clicking on this video. My returning subscribers, I really appreciate you guys. I love you. And if you are coming across this channel for the first time, you're warmly welcome. Thank you for clicking on this video, and don't forget to subscribe. Alright, so in today's video we are making dry puff puff or dry Bofrot without yeast. So in my mixing bowl, I am going to add some flour. Then we will need nutmeg and also a pinch of salt. Wow. So then I'm going to add baking powder, and these are the dry ingredients that we are going for. So we want to make sure that our dry ingredients are well combined, okay? After which I'm going to add some butter, and you can use margarine. If that's what you have at home, okay, you don't have to necessarily use butter because I'm using it. You can use margarine. Then you want to give it a good mix and to make sure that everything is perfect over here. I'm going to add 1 egg to this. I'm adding vanilla extract, and we are also going to add condensed milk. So you are going to measure your condensed milk according to the sweetness that you are looking for. For me, this is perfect. I don't need it to go too much, okay? I don't need it to be too sweet. So this is just okay for me. I'm using homemade condensed milk. And I need evaporated milk as well. So don't forget, we are also going to add some water to this to make it a perfect dough. Okay, so we are going to add our liquids according to the consistency that we are looking for. Wow. So we are going to knead this, and it's not going to take too much time. We just need 8 to 10 minutes to knead this, okay? Since we are using baking powder, we don't need too much time. So we are going to use 8 to 10 minutes to knead this. Then I'm going to show you a trick that you can use to knead your dough, which is so simple, okay? So on my surface, I'm going to spread some flour, and then this is my dough. So you can knead it this way, you can hit it, or you can choose to go whichever way that is okay for you. But I'm going to show you the tricks that makes your dough go so soft and smooth, just like this. You just keep on hitting your dough, and the more you hit it, the more that it becomes soft and smooth. All right, so you can decide to try this at home anytime you are making a bread or anything. It's very simple. You don't have to stretch. So we can see that it's getting softer and softer. So this is after 8 minutes, and this is how it looks, very smooth and very soft. So at this point, we know that our dough is ready, okay? When I pressed it, it bounced back. But then I am going to cover this with my kitchen towel and then leave it to rest for about 20 minutes before I come back. So this is after 20 minutes, and it's exactly what I am going for. It's exactly what we are looking for, okay? After which, we are going to cut our dough into the sizes that we want, okay? The sizes you desire, the sizes that I want to go for. So I am going to try to measure this and cut it according to the inches that I have over here. I'm using 1.5 inches, and that is that you can measure your own bigger than that or smaller than that. The decision is in your hands. Making Ghanaian dishes. So guys, at this point, if you're still watching me and you're not part of this wonderful family, you want to click on that subscribe button, turn on bell notification. Anytime I upload a new video, you are going to be notified. I'll be glad to have you here as part of this Rema family. Don't forget, leave a comment for me in the comment section. I'll be glad to know that you were here. Thank you. Alright, so I am going to show you how I'm going to mold this, or how you are supposed to mold this. Homemade smoothies, cutie smoothies, making Ghanaian dishes, building natural beauty, making fertility boosting smoothies, berries, go there for your table, cutie. It is very, very simple. You don't have to struggle at all. You can also place your dough in your palm and turn it or mold it whichever way you desire. But we are looking for a round and a perfect. Not so perfect, okay? We are looking for a round dough, so that's fine. My dough has become so soft and smooth, and I love the color already. Ghanaian dishes, building natural beauty, making fertility boosting smoothies, berries, go there for your table, cutie. Do it natural things, do it natural things. So our dough is ready, and I am going to get my oil ready as well for frying. Go there for your table, cutie. So in my frying pan, I'm going to add some oil and allow it to heat. We don't have to let it overheat, okay? Other than that, we are going to burn the puff puff, and we wouldn't want that. So I tested this with a little dough, and it's ready. So what I am going to do is to make sure that I lower my heat so that I don't get my puff puff burns. So you want to take note that when you are making this puff puff, you need to be turning it, okay, until it's done. All right, you don't have to take your eyes off it. Other than that, it's going to get burnt. Like you wouldn't want that. So you want to make sure that you keep turning it so it's wouldn't get burnt. Berries, healthy, homemade smoothies, cutie smoothies, making Ghanaian dishes, building natural beauty, making fertility boosting smoothies, berries, go there for your table, cutie. Do it natural things, do it natural things. Daniels on the beat. Building natural beauty, making fertility boosting smoothies, berries, go there for your table, cutie. Do it natural things, do it natural things. Daniels on the beat. So at this point, I am going to bring the puff puff out from the oil because it's already done and it's looking nice and beautiful. So guys, if you are making your your dry puff puff, and you don't have yeast, don't worry. You can use baking powder and everything is going to be perfect. So guys, thank you for joining me today. I really appreciate. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done that already. Okay, so stay safe, be good, be kind to people. Until I come your way again next time, see you in my next video. Here is Trema Health Way. It's bye.